Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Mutton marination preparation. 300 grams curd, recipe in the description box. 11 green chilies or as per taste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon paprika or red chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon nutmeg powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon green cardamom powder. 2 teaspoons dry fenugreek leaves. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the spices well. Add 1 kilogram mutton. Coat the mutton with the spices. Marinate for 30 minutes. Mutton gravy preparation. Heat the pressure cooker with 4 tablespoons oil. 2 small cinnamon stick. 3 green cardamom. 1 black cardamom. 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon royal cumin. 4 finely chopped onion. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium flame. 4 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Sauté for 5 minutes. 2 teaspoons paprika or red chili powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Add marinated mutton. Sauté on high flame for 10 minutes. 1 cup finely chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon salt. Cook for 5 minutes. 2 cup boiled water. Mix well. Close the lid and bring to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, reduce the heat and cook for 10 minutes. One teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves. 1 tablespoon fresh chopped coriander. Mutton gravy is ready. Can be served with naan, parathas, bread or fried onion rice. All the recipes are available in the description box. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.